How to use walls in your yoga practice.
You're kind of stuck here and try as hard as you can to come forward. Get to a wall, push your sacrum back until you reach the wall. And maybe you will feel it also in your hip flexors. And then you can be sure that, okay, I have this length in my spine. You actually want this curve in your lower spine. Remember that double S shape, that's the natural design of your spine, and you want to recreate this. You really can lift up here to start, and you will feel, oh, that's a complete new experience maybe. Get this length in your spine, your neck is the same as your lower part of the spine, it does not connect to the wall, so it's actually only your sacrum, your shoulders and the back of your head that are connected to the wall. For side angles or triangle poses, the wall can help you to keep your hip in the right position. Put your forward foot down at the wall, keep some distance between this and that foot. So back foot is not at the wall, you will fall if you do that, but a little bit away from it. Just as the classic side angle pose. Bend this knee in a 90-degree angle and you will already feel, okay, the wall is actually holding me a little bit here. Put your wrist just down at the same level as your ankle and then bring your shoulders on top of each other. And you don't have to worry that your hip, I will show it from this perspective, collapses to the side because the wall is holding your hip in the right alignment just behind your forward knee. This is actually jump into a handstand variation where you're jumping up with both legs at the same time. Start with your hands a little bit away from the wall. The further you get away, the more comprehensive this will get because your back bend will increase. Jump with both legs upwards, press your hands down to lift up. Your head can just safely drop here. Your buttocks are safely at the wall. The following pose is a perfect example for a restorative yoga pose. Restorative means that you will really relax in this pose, and it's quite often referred as a good exercise if you have trouble falling asleep, as it's really meant to be to chill yourself down on a mental and also physical basis. So, for this pose you need a mat and also a bolster. If you want to know more poses with bolsters, I already did a video about bolsters for your yoga practice, link right here. Watch it right after this one. And you need this bolster placed like this, near to your wall. The only thing that's a little bit difficult is actually to get in the pose. You need to start in this little bit weird looking side position. You want to sit down on the bolster. You do this turning. You turn yourself around so that your sacrum is right on the bolster. Your legs are up on the wall. You lay your hands down besides your upper body, palms facing upwards, as this will also help you to keep your chest open and let your shoulders sink down to the ground. And that's it already.
Thanks for watching. If you made it so far, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I see you in the next one.